Just Piddlin Barbecue. Just a quick video to make a couple of reminders, announcements. Tomorrow night, Thursday night, I'll be sitting in the hot seat with Cooking with CJ. Tomorrow night, 9 p.m. Eastern or 6 p.m. Pacific time. So check that out. It's going to be really fun. Going to be doing a Q&A with those guys, and sounds like it's going to be a good time. So check it out. In the hot seat, Cooking with CJ, tomorrow night, Thursday, 9 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Pacific. Also, don't forget about my live chat tonight, Wednesday night, 8 p.m. Eastern time. So check that out. Just Piddlin Barbecue Live. Hang out with me and the Just Piddlin Barbecue crew. Become a regular yourself. So check both of those out. Thanks, and until next time, I'll be piddling.